Sometimes when the people you love hurt you the most, it's better to stay quiet, because if your love wasn't enough, do you think your words will even matter? Just let it go. I understand. It's not easy to let go, but you have to. Those who've hurt you, they don't have time to care about you. They're just enjoying their life. But you're investing your time and energy thinking about those who have hurt you. They just don't deserve to be in your thoughts. You have more important things to do in your life. I know it's hard to move on. You'll end up really disappointed if you think people will do for you as you do for them, because not everyone has the same heart as you do. It's hard, but it's not impossible. When you care for someone more than they deserve, you get hurt more than you deserve. There will be very painful moments in your life that will change your entire world in a matter of minutes, and these moments will change you. Let them make you stronger and smarter. You can cry, or you can scream if you have to, but don't give up. Just leave everything behind that is hurting you and keep moving forward. Every person in this world is strong enough to let go. People will come and go, and that's life. The most important thing is to stand up and realize that you deserve something better than a person that gives up on you. Thank you. Have a great day.